Good morning, everybody. Happy Friday. We made it to another Friday. Always exciting. Today is Friday, October 9th, 2020. It is the 28th day of school. So I've added to our coins. We have a quarter, which is worth, that's right, 25 cents. And then we have 3 pennies, so 25, 26, 27, 28. Very good. Today you have Maker at 11:45. And let's go ahead and if you'd like to join me for the Pledge of Allegiance, and then we'll go through our schedule and some of the announcements for today. So go ahead and I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Okay, very good. So yes, as I mentioned, you have Maker today at 11:45, and you might see some equations up on the board, and these are all doubles plus one. So doubles plus one facts. We talked about that yesterday in math, how we can use a doubles fact, which are just normally easier for people to remember. There are a lot of examples in real life of doubles facts, like our fingers or spider, legs on a spider, legs on an insect, that just they tend to happen just normally, so they're easier for us to remember. So we can use that to help us solve double plus one. So I'm gonna slide over here and go ahead and see if you can figure out along with me what doubles fact would help us. So if we have 4 plus 5, I'm going to think of 4 plus 4 and then add one more, which would be 9. Very good. So we want to double the lower of the two numbers. If we have 6 plus 7, I want to think about the double. That's right, 6 plus 6. And if we add 6 plus 6, I know that's 12. So 6 plus 7 would be, yes, 13. Very good. And last but not least, we have 2 plus 3. I would want to double that's right, the 2, and that is 4 plus 1 more. So 2 plus 3 would be 5. Very good. Excellent. So we are doing a great job with our facts and numbers. Remember, we want to keep practicing and learning them so they become so automatic for us that we can really solve them without really even thinking about it. All right, so today, coming out this morning first thing, will be 3 activities. There will be a new math Kahoot game. So you'll practice finding the true or false, figuring out whether or not an equation is true or false. So there'll be the Kahoot game. And again, if you could please just use your first name, last initial, so that I know who, that's how I know who's done the Kahoot and who, what your score is if by what you enter. So if you could please just make sure to use your first name, last initial, that would be great. You will have a short video lesson, a deep dive for reading on adding ing to words. You'll hear from Miss Taylor on that. And then your application problem for math. We'll meet at 10 for our for our live class, and we will wrap up all of our work on Waiting for the Biblioburo. We'll talk about the author's note and our knowledge journal. We'll also have our next star student, All About Me, present their All About Me, if that works for them. And then this afternoon, we'll meet at 1 for math. So there will not be a set assignment to send in after our 10 a.m. class today. So if there was anything from the morning that you didn't finish, or again, going back over the whole week and just see, if you're all caught up before we start a new week next week. Also, some of the things that we send home, the practice printing, Zern, Epic, Read a Book, practice high frequency words, or the decodables are all options if you're looking for something, if you have a little extra time. All right. So I just wanted to quickly remind you that the virtual book fair is still going on. That will end on October 18th. So if you wanted to browse and shop any books in the virtual bookstore. And I also wanted to let everybody know that there is no school for students on Monday, October 12th. So this Monday coming up. So you will have a nice long 3-day weekend. So I hope you enjoy it, and I can't wait to hear about how your weekend went next week. So those were, I think those were all the announcements. So if you need anything, if you have any questions, just let me know, and I'll talk to everybody soon. Thanks so much.